Let's review some parchment paper. Today we are reviewing the Katbite Unbleached Baking Parchment Paper. This parchment paper measures 15 inches by 210 feet, yielding 260 square feet. This particular parchment paper is considered to be heavy-duty baking parchment paper, and it comes with a slide cutter. One of the things that I can attest to that I really like about this product is it's very durable. I have actually tested on multiple occasions how many times you can use the same baking sheet. So we tend to use this for mostly greasy foods such as French fries and nuggets and things like that, and we do use it in our air fryer. One of the ways in which we tested the durability was by cooking the parchment paper multiple times on different temperatures. So we initially cooked some chicken nuggets on the parchment paper to start off the test, and then after that we cooked it at different times days later to see how long it would last before it burned. One of the things I noticed was that whenever it was on really high temperatures, you can only use the parchment paper probably 3 times before it burned. But when you cook it on much lower temperatures, you could probably use it between 4 to 5 times. Now, I am not recommending anyone do that. I would probably only recommend maybe using it twice and then throwing it away. I did the test to see how durable it was, and it's actually very durable. This is what it looks like after cooking chicken nuggets for about 20 minutes, and it's pretty greasy. We have been using this brand of parchment paper for about 3 years now, so it's been really great. Shout out to all of my parchment paper junkies. This video was for you. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.